Yamishra, Yamishra. Baby, I'll show me the Yamishra. Yamishra, baby, I'll show me the Obaswa. Now, I share link in Amami. Kindly share the link for me when you come online. Obaswa, share link in Amami. My rain fee. Sir, I hire Opata Food TV. Baby, I will be a Obaswa, share link in Amami. Obaswa, na. I share link in Amami. Na, yetimi edin komo. Obaswa, no, I share link in Amami. Na, yetimi edin komo. Maybe I will be a very good evening to you. Very, very good evening to you. Gladys and Bruce, good evening. How you doing? I believe somewhere. I'm sure our US. More Moshemu Facebook. More Moshemu YouTube. I'm sure I'm YouTube for. I'm sure maybe I will be an moment. Our comment section, huh? Brown line, you need skinning come, you need come. Brown line, you need come. I share link in the mommy. I'm sure maybe I will be a say over online na yetimi edin komo 1 or 2 bi. Very important. Nipa de o ho a uhia say uni enipa enyankita hodi de bia o se usua bibi wo tirim na abrabo na wo bo no utimi ko wanim. I'm a type that I really love learning. It is very important when you allow yourself to be groomed in terms of educational wise. It's not by force to exercise formal education, but there's one unique thing that we call self-education. Among these, self-education is very paramount, and it's the best among all what we call education. Until ba online I know shama me na nyumre yeni nkomo bi na ya tie nkai boy Paul Suman. Yamishra, good evening. How you doing? I believe somewhere. Yamishra, oba online I share mami na nipa bebre enim se na meba online ti share mami. YouTube for mon share mami, Facebook for mon share mami. Waba tinasini tie nyame asem. Member hotel encore. Iron Man, one day, don't worry. I'll give it a second thought regarding writing a book. Iron Man, say Papa, me na nwene na me ntro book mamo, and so one day metro dia man why? Yamishra. But more din share your live telecast. Me na fa comment section bra. E be din komo. Afa sika ho sika tumi ena adesua ho ye be din koma afa sika ho adesua ena tumi sani uma we ehia pa wo nipa abrabom ndi bomotin kwadwo pia asante mpacho wo su good evening me chia bebre mo Facebook, mo share mami, YouTube, mo share mami. Zenith for mamo, come listen to wisdom. It's very important. It's very okay, I don't mind. I'll take all these into consideration very soon. There will be an establishment for a prophetic school. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Elizabeth, good evening to you. Yamishra say, Ubeti Yamiasem. Hey, Mary. My beloved Mary Magdalene, a very good evening to you. I believe so. Yamishra. And he said, I make an ebedin komo afa a year sika to me. And a dear baku friend addition. A year very important. Mammy Akia, I believe so. Baby, I will be a Yamishra. A start mine. If I chose good evening, Michiao. So, I'm sure what ye be. Utin Kaibo, we are not sharing Swaman. I'll say, yes, 72 days fasting. Na secret to women say, may spend it just 30 minutes per, may spend it 30 minutes per. na media free online nti mo asomra ha mare I'll say yeah 72 days you be on the 12th of April na ye ne say watch night me ba watch night na enya amaso nti obi a unim ni bia bonamane say on the 12th of April na ki be watch night no me ba watch night no enya amaso enam nioma ba ku mienu 70 nti otinka boy abomode ne bo obi amane say odifo patafo say watch night no on the 12th of April 2024 watch night no enya amaso nti ano abo obi amane say amane temi amishra on the 12th of April 2024 day ni ade be break fasting no me ba cho fasting no say be watch night me ba cho enya amaso nti otia no abo obi amane otia no abo obi amane amame amishra bebre ade ba ko wo se woti ase ni se wo hwe ne atie ni ye onipa bia asase we so se ewo wutirim se opese obobra opese wunyini che ewo abrabo mu a ne kire wade bi aniema miensa e ma rain frida first one wu nipa no usika sem tieni se opese abrabo we wunyini che na esiw yi na enchiri ma ebeto ewo abrabo mu a ade baako usika sem enfani agroda entwe matumidie wiedie enkabre cheche obi ntena baabi emoudia obi ntena baabi enkasew obi mfa wo nto ho ewo hiam efrise se okan John chapter 21 eba Bible say Peter mienu ye bedi adanse se na Peter ye obi a oben Yesu Kristo Yahushua no oben ni pa yi nanso abra Peter ho kire no wantimi ani awurade achi anko awie Reverend Adakwa, God bless you Reverend mete on kanche I believe so Richard, thank you very much for celebrating a man of my time. God bless you. Tienie Peter obi a no obey Yesu yi but edu mmere bi no okay John chapter 21 o Bible a bi na kan ho edu mmere bi no ne ho be kire no na ne ho kire no o jai Yesu achiridie na question wo mu ni say obi a ono ni Yesu ne nam anopa wia ni anadwo enyinara oni Yesu ne nam Peter di ohun Yesu oso Yesu atade mu oni Yesu nante Yesu di nani sei ehun onso di nani hu Yesu eduru mene bi mpo ona na esi Yesu ntare ona na sansuo ma Yesu abra Yesu Kristo wu firi asase Yesu mokoye Yahushua ni wu ye okoye no Bible say Peter ashiase adentia if you say na ne ho chine no dodo sister bra ya hwe ya ye di gidie takashi a enuma bi anim ebegina ho say ye di betimi asum nyame even if we don't have it. But one thing you have to understand is say in this global world, in this 21st century, everything rests on the shoulder of money. And to a different part for me, you'll be a name for me, see, Kasam in Niagro. Me, a very spiritual when it comes to my monetary affairs, the things that is connected to money. When it comes to Sikasemwa, me, you'll be a name for Sikasemu Niagro. And he say, 70 days, 80 days in Pona, me be ya country, I strike me enemy. Me de be. Now you have to understand, say, only pebia yesika o, sister, and Mariasi, and mobi nadal, and mobi nadal, and you are getting country say, and ya di ginger, and ya no correct. ɛyɛ ade ginjan ɛnso Bible sɛ ɛnam sɛ onyankopɔn ontwa dollars, ontwa pounds, ontwa can say euros. Tieni o onyankopɔn ontwa pounds, ontwa euros, ontwa dollars. Enti wiase sika nyinara ɛhyɛ tumi a yɛfrɛ ne sɛ mammo ase. But ɛnam sɛ ɛhyɛ tumi a yɛfrɛ ne mammo, na mammo ɛnso so ɛmfiri Awurade nti no, sika bi a wansase so ha bi ɛho nte ɛyɛ fin. Fa hyɛ wo tirim, sika bi a wansase so ha biara ɛyɛ fin ɛho nte. Ade nti a deɛ okum nipa de pɛ sika ɔde kɔtoo bank, deɛ okum ne nua baabi, deɛ okum ne nua bɛrima bi ɛde pɛ sika ɔno so de ne deɛ kɔtoo bank. Now sɛ menu mienu dware ne ɛkɔ a yɛsi yɛkɔyi ɛkakra ɛda hɔ, ɛbɛyɛ dɛn na wahunu sɛ saa sika wei ɛyɛ sikadurofo sika, saa sika wei ɛyɛ deɛ waku ne nua sika ne yɛde abɛto bank hɔ. Menu mienu yɛntimi nhunu da. Enti Yesu ka kyerɛ yɛ sɛ ewiase ahunyadeɛ na ɛho nteɛ no, menu mienu yɛmfa bi adafoɔ na ada yɛ ho bɛkyere yɛn, ada abrabɔ no bɛbiti yɛn, ada efiefuo bɛyi ama, ada yɛnim bɛgu ase no, na wiase ahunyadeɛ no atwitwa agye ayɛ. Wɔnhwɛ yɛ a ahokyerɛ nti abrabɔ ɛne nyamesom ɛbɛtew suntudua. Ɛbɛduru mmerɛ bi na wadwene yɛ wo sɛ onyame ayi wo ama because ho kyerɛw. Da bia me na meka me se sɛ woyɛ sɔfo mpo na onipa bɛbu a agye sɛ wasetenam ɛne wabrabom asesa. Agye sɛ onipa ahunu sɛ abrabɔ no a wowɔ sɔfo no wobɔ no wo ho haw. Ade nti a ɛfiri sɛ wowɔ tumi a tumi no ɛte wo mu, but onipa deɛ n'ani tua deɛ woaniwa ɛnyɛ deɛ wɔ mu. And once you would need prominent people, a type of legal luminary, teachers, lecturers, or person medical doctors, if we are simply paying for as a sofu, some crofo will be Embra metna onasi, na wuni sika, a very diamond. If you say in this current recessions here, cause we are seeing the current situation we are seeing, if we are seeing obi ahochirem, uko UK obi ahochirem. Uko Canada, obi ahokyere no. Uko US, uko Italy, Spain, Germany, uba Ghana ha. Yakura de yehon kyere yewu, ye de jam. What did I mention on us? Enti, ewiase no, edrum pempensu a bibia yesika. Bibia yesika. Enti me pesa me kakyere wo a wo yeziniti ni a wo hwe me, mo amu Facebook, ene mo amu wo YouTube say. Ma wani na ho wo sika sam hu yie physically and spiritually. Mumu bi wo ha mo ye too weak and so weak spiritually. You are so weak to the extent say the bia uma Satan uma onipa bonefo enya wo nsam sika, uma onipa bonefo enya wo ho akwan e dey fight against wo. The bia mumu bi wo ha mo ye so weak, we are weak to the extent say mumo ni panya ho kwan e fight them spiritually etimi e konkamo e jimu nsam ska ni e de yade de tiawo enti a Christopher ye ni denche de enti a ye ni ede enche no. It's because ye dwetire kakra na ekura ye no enche wo ye nsam. The little money that we have as capital enche and check and then to any share your global world. If we are say Canada, Germany, Italy, a Christopher Yuma Gua Negu, a Jidifuana or Musum Yameno, a Jidifu our Musum Yame, SDA for Pentecost, charismatics for Enkra, Omunina Yuma, Senkiana Senke, Adentia. If we say, "O ma dwene do mutrim no, e free say, e free wo musika sem ho, oye adwuma no pa, oye adwuma nwumre, but on find sika sem serious, ɔmfa ne sikasɛm serious. Hwɛ ma menka no kora nkyerɛ ewiase te sɛ ewiase a me ne umienu tim bi ɛte sɛ asuo ɛpo. It's like the sea. Sɛ wote ɛpo so na uhu sɛ fish ehwirihwiri ɛwɔ ɛpo n'ani a ya na wadwene yɛ sɛ ɛpo no emu nwa saa na wadwene yɛ wo. But I'm telling you sɛ ɛpo no emu wase ne sɛ deɛ uhu no saa na wiase teɛ. Nipa yɛ ne wɔ mote no ebi mu tirim wa sene asuo a yɛfrɛ no ɛpo ase. Now when you dive deeply into the sea, you will see so many creatures, so many things in the sea. Ebi ehu sana abrabo ne tie sister bra abrabo on eti say asuo po abrabo ehu papa abrabo ye very risky because o slightest mistake obeye no abrabo is like on a highway. The slightest mistake you do or commit, you know, what happened next? They say, "Udi agora, ube cause so many accidents, and the accident you cause in your life will affect you, affect your children, the ones that are here and the ones that are yet unborn. It will affect your husband in case if you have one. It will affect your wife in case if you have one. And you see kasem there, and when you grow." Ma wani mmeri won sikasam ho bompaye na uma obeifuo obi ditumi bone strike wa upese ubre be ma bi ase na odwodwo ne powers ano a the first thing was say we ye ne say ni sikasam was say fighting ni sikasam fa she utirim ye unu obi nya ntokwa na upese breaking it down. A man Canada, the first thing, any sikasam. And the abrofono eba African, omunim say, if they will be able to take us into slavery, the first thing they say, I was say, omu breki abi before you sikasam. You sikasam, and you're very important. Because a bruni was sika, now so was sika, or ka ube kabi, ube timia challenge. That is why they propagated falsehood and made us to believe say money is an evil thing. Tina be before me you say sika ya de boni. Omutimi e manipulate your society to the extent say a penetrate ye na sofo mpotirim e ma sofo ni bi kura nano to date. There was some of the pastors are they see money as an evil thing. But I'm telling you, the gospel of Christ, the gospel of the Messiah can never travel long and wide without the wings of money. Say betimi amanyamesem emu atere na Kristo ahini ayefe na ahini no aya akono ama obi aba ahini no mu bia bra ade se yenya sika ntaban se yenya sika ntaban ya me kan kora kiro nyankopon ahini ne be kasum nyamsum ne be kasum. Because Christianity is not about preaching to people for them to repent to. Kisosum and yes I'll call ye jajamambo jakrono yesu ba yesu beku dabida obi o ha o kan kwache seven to chere wie no obaji yesu dia. You have to make provision for material things, especially Bible. Some of them you buy them Bible, some of them too you give them clothes, you give them money, you give them the necessary logistics needed to help their Christian life. You need to support them. Etemi opata for me famisi kasam ni agro. We are bayfo, we are bosom, we are kabre chiche, we trespass me si kasam ho a me mfa ho ne onipa ban a we. I will take you down spiritually, because what I know is say we be the hwo e break you si kasam a et said ye what chire won sa gu achi no what is ka to jam no what hwo yem. You can't survive. I'm telling you. Don't deceive yourself. You are not a man or a woman of faith. More than Peter, the man who sat on the same table with Jesus, the man who ate, drank wine with Christ. You are not a man of faith more than this man. Etiminim dia meka. enti abrabɔ no wonyina soɔ paa baako wogina hɔ yɛ a wohwɛ me wotu hɔ a wohwɛ me sɛ wowɔ fie na wohwɛ mu wɔ adwuma mu na wohwɛ me a wogina soɔ paa baako ɛyɛ wo sikasɛm. As human wonyina soɔ paa baako ɛyɛ wo sikasɛm. Nipa bebree yɛ commit petty spiritual mistakes. We become ignorant about certain things. We don't take certain things into consideration, and we normally make certain mistakes. Sometimes you people have this mentality that giving to beggars on the roadside, or when anybody calls in for help, and you render your sort of help to these people, and to open nature's cornucopia. This is your sort of mentality. This is the mindset that you have. But this stream has caused a lot of people financial breakdown. They make kind in say, obi ho awadwene a wo say, wo maami nua bi, wo papa nua bi, wo sister bi, ana wadanfo bi, se owo ahokyerem, obeka kyerem. Na umani bia enne kire say ana obi sere usika na umani bia, because Bible say uwo bibi na unia ni bia mani bi ya doye enti saade we ni nti na obi sere wade ne wa mani bia wo feel guilty because wadwene ya say wa mani ni nti no onyankopon ayi wa ma tie ni yo wa sa na wadwene yam enti wadwene ya say o ma obi a opem wa bi ewo abonten a enne kire se wo ye nyamdwuma na enne be ma awurade abie kwan de ama wo abrabom ma men kan kranchiro wo ye ziniti ni nti na men ka chiro se saadwene ni da utiri mu a yito twene na enye obi a na oboa no asase wesu a onyankopon be ka wo da enye obi a na oboa no asase wesu a onyame be hira wo da adentia nipa ni bi wo ho a eyo nyame na aye onsa eyo omo aso odin na mo nyankopon atemuo abom so abrabom ruha wa dipanyi bi atem wakasa tie nyame nipa bi wakasa tie onyankopon tumi obi ama ne ho kwan ama ya yisu no e de asori atie onyankopon difo bi onyame nipa bi e na ne ho kyere no na wo so tu ba bi a wo ye innocent nte wo so sori a ofre wa na oso ama ne sika ni bi osere obibia na de ama entidie na beto enti bohu ana wadwuma ho adoye bi akoye na creative problems de ama na o boss ani nkrofo bi omo adwuma ni mu o ma hyase ne wo ko a wo dwene ho a wo ntia se say why how because all of a sudden enioma esenke enioma ekofom abrabo ye den unim de ntia because let's assume say me ana say obi ti ho na tu obi akesi no ana obi abonidua na usu de anieden ukoji sa nipa no e de afiri sa de ni mu a I will say we spiritual grounds. Why? Because to me na wa ma nipa na bo asesa na osore a o ma ni nsi ni yie no obe ba so attack pa be attack o obe ba so attack obe ba be attack you see kasem enti obe ma obi 10 cedis $100 e chena no benya problem $2,000 adentia because baby esika me call ye no ankoto abapam and am say anto abapam ni ntino emfifi abapapa ebefifi ababone ne fifi ababone a de na person kire. Sometimes because of peer pressure and what the society will say, we are tempted to honor the voice of the masses. Yeah, adwene say ombeka se mitirimu wadin when am se me Kristo ni pa ne so a wo koya na doye no and the problem be bro in return. In the early beginnings of our ministry, especially me Opatafo, early beginning na me yesa type no me obi a me mofra bremu no me a soft-hearted person. Me a soft-hearted person. At obi whoso obi na mamaniem obi kwa ho kyerem na ye ne ya na me ti ni suo na me tete na me dwene manipa no enti de shame kura no ma woro ma nipa no de me de asie kura no ma ko fefe ni ma yi de ama nipa no. But the bia amanie mu na menam eninguasie mu na menam. One day I began to sit myself down and fast, and God made certain revelations to me. That is what I'm sharing to you. So o pastor is asem we hwe. So we study a omo ta sori tia yen wa abrabọ mu nyinara eye wo mu aye boa wo mo. Obi wo ha wunua bi yare, stroke ye wunua bi, amane bi ye wunua bi. Senya wo na odi usika twetwa gira ma edu kwa nkenek wawu. Ene ne ho to no onu mienu ntam te sei. Me pa cho wunua ne yare ye na akọ twetwa je no. Ene onu ntam te sei. Ene obeka cho so ye nipa bone ni, wo ye baifo, wo nye nipa papa, wo nwini nipa ho. Wo kan sem bebredi agu hu fin. Ama nipa wa bonte a o ma hu say wo ye evil. But these people have helped, you have helped these people. And kanyam suma yeso no kemra no se ka obi hu kire no obi wa manie mu a nka me no mi no yemmoa. But you see, the entire constitution of the spiritual world, everything has changed because nipa na okoboa na adwene ye different, ni nim de ye different, said you see hu nioma ye different. Etudi agora obehaw tenase na wu abusa ho questions. Omo a waboa wo mo no emu didi o say e na bounce back abeka say thank you. Emu didi o say omo nyina sori atia wo ebi fight usika obi wo ha ba bia wo ya adwuma no wadamfo bi kura wo ya adwuma ho enam so ena o ma ni nya adwuma no esumika say ebi kura oni supervisor a team up a person almost sideline and ma wo perform na wani mu gu ase sa na system no akoye. They want to bring you down na fashion utrim say abra wo ye be yi wadi afira adwuma mu ho no ka hunu say usika sam ho betechema ka hunu say obetofo wo be sresredi. So eso say ni power na oya osa na onam akire e sabotage wo sani ye be cripple source of financing. Sani pa no so aboa ne da wadidi unsam da bebre didi adimi. But later on I sat down to realize say enyo obia na wose oboa no ewrade ma menya nimdie bi hunu say ye wo binu mo ha oba no asempo na mo amobere ensem bi o maka tie nipa bi atwa mu pen na nipa ne di esu ni yaw akonya me anim na mo amobere omu dwane ba ye hoso aden we help them. Na sankrofo ye di say suban bone no suban fin no mo sa de atua ye nka e ka bone adide bia no ye ne ahohom a ne sankrofo ne kon ye ne omu ne di asie ebisu ana wo prepare o spiritually etide bia ne oma be ko atia wo de bia ne oma nkoyie ma wo de bia kakra to nsam a be hye ene oma to nsam a enkoyie said your person wa brabo kono enkoyie mfa ma de enti a enkoyie mfa ma because wakofa obi a ono ankasa oye boni aye ma urade obi a no me di ne so de na to ho so se obeboa no and those principality and evil spirit will fight you. This is not a matter of you being a pastor. This is not a matter of you being a pastor. Yebu obi wo ha udu nioma usika timi mano, especially abrochefo amohwemi mu amoboba Ghana mukuko mabusuam mukoye ehwehwe mu. Oh, this is my cousin, this is my nephew, oh, that's my brother, my elderly sister. Oh, Jedole because American man waba UK burger, London burger, German burger. O dware no aspo to come up no de spray na gu no ho no atwa ne pimpinis no de namfie ho sane be ye be hu se burger ni na ba sana brabo ne tio ni sika na burger ni de bae na o de kwa abusua ni mu no ya gi sika no free ni nsam a o two plane ticket o twa plane ticket 2 plane free Ghana koduru abrochire na adwuma nyina asɛn obi wo ha obeye o maame ayie kɔ ye ne o ma asɛn obi wo ha obeye o maame ayie kɔ yes unzam sika o mo gye ye no eno ɛna ɔmo de ako atia na nka wo nyale stroke na yafunyare bi ani so na tipaye bi ani so na amane bi ani so okura na nka abusua ni eni wachi na namfo ani ni wachi na nso adoye bi akoye ye no baabi a wodi sika bi koye baabi a wodi bibi bi koye no ɛnom hu sɛ sa brantie we sɛ ne hotɔ no ɛnom de krepo ɔmo de asɔre atia enioma nkoyie eti usika some dear sister you're very careful. Na some petty mistakes where ye be maybe a chum. We thought say it was a way of Christ-like nature. It was a way of helping to contribute to the advancement of the kingdom of God. We never knew that in later on it would turn and fight us back. You knew say maybe a bebano, Sanya man aye no, a best solitaire fight here. And the woman me dear see a pie I'm telling you. Now. Don't think say I'm making so much noise. Ya boy I'm gonna fight here. Obu how brebi na una didn't buy UK. Una do buy Canada. Una didn't buy Germany. Una trap plane ticket here be I didn't buy or buy and that person wants to see to it say wa brewasi am was ready and sana kuma to him. E dear money na wa no. Say you only adom mpa enka papa ye bia wo de ye ne mre bia twam anka de ntino on kai no say Mrs. Tay na wo de wadi matam kra me mfa nchen because enye onu anka nyam na me ba America kenye onu anka mantimi amba Canada kenye onu anka mantimi amba Germany ka UK kra mantimi amba me yare ye Mrs. Tay ye wo UK nye onu a enka me yare wi wa boa ne pen enso ade ntino ne onu ne pese o do to form on ne pese obi wa danger so e mani pa be hwew. Because why a mistake? Opa steady sadi we asem we ameke. Se ube steady a I say omo journey secret society, fraternal society, to say Freemason, ana okonfuo, ana obi a ohu ni se wakoji aduro, ana o journey ananiti e hye tumi die bi ase no. Se uwumpo na ukone nchen a ubusa ni sika at once wa o ma sika o ka kire o se cobra so what steady sa anyama na se asema me kan so what steady bia nipa bia woni ne enjoy ni eye kristosom tese wo ye Jew ni wo ye Hindu wo ye Shintoist Zoroaster ni ana owo esum bi mu no sa o Kristo ni ukọ ne chance o moawa o pa yes steady ha de he onim de ntia de ntia o mo twentwe o mo na ase o mo mpese o mo beboa wo no is because to me and the teacher na se no on consult no o mo mpaya na onye rituals onye an incantation in enchantment regarding who nipa na wa ba ne nchen se omoa wo no ebi wo kro omo mpese omo beboa hwe akristofo bre wo wiase hwe akristofo bre omo bre wo wiase adenti na omo moa ye because omo ne yenyepe omo ne yegidi yenyepe untimi nko shake ho na nko shake ho house shake boa yen na shake ni te wa na wa boa se me ye kristoni mete ha minim kramo we minim alaji we me ho kire me call ho me call ye obeyi sika ne de amane dabida obema o akoma pa na obema mpo obe consult on the spirit ahwese sika no de brewo no enkofa o ha oni amane bi mre no but who Pentecost ni ahwehwe me who Assemblies of God ni CAC Baptist Presby ni Methodist ni Zenith ni ahwehwe me nya sa na wote odi nya sa na wote wo mompaye wo nya hwe eti wodi sika no ko ya no mo de sori tia obi o ha wo sika wo de manifie na no mo de sori wa aduro so kire wo enom de sori wa aduro so bi enom de kwa aduro so di tia wo sa wo sika nkwa wo ntimi nkwa aduro so sa wo sika ankofia aduro bi enom metimi akoso as well sika wo UK no a wote no Germany na wote no Italy na wote no e wo sika it's your own money. They are using your own money to fight you. They are using your own money to sabotage you. We are living in a political world. where a brother is against its fellow brother. Now, when you're doing well in your business or job centers, the friend of yours who is not working has become an opponent. I'm telling you, they will never celebrate you. They will never celebrate you. If you have a good job, a job that pays very well, and you go out there to discuss it with your friend, that very moment, your friend becomes an opposition party against you. Because that said friend of yours thinks, why say I didn't, and I won't, Abrabon Koyi man no what you are. Obu had the entire own worry yenano, ya June some sika, and the first what you are worrying. Nanka mema we shi omu bebre benke bi ntimi so nsa fa nkwa enwaro ko obi kura ntimi kura obi ho wo hwem sisi a opedema bi kura wo de if it's not about marriage kura ene menwo it is a problem. It's a problem. Ya jiw nsem sika je waware ya ju bibia. Sometimes when we talk this way, people don't like it. They'll tell you, say this is a primitive and archaic doctrines, and we Africans are too over spiritual. Let me tell you, this has nothing to do with becoming over spiritual with things. It is the things of reality. Say, osi onyamesompa adwene ni nyansa wom. Anyamesompa adwene ni nyansa wom. Enti obi ho ha wo mo adwaman yi o. Wo mokro no. Wo ni obi hu tan show mu. You don't envy anybody. You are not jealous of anybody's success. Whatever that does give it to you, you are content with this. Some of you people, that's how you are. Whatever that God gives you, you are content with it. You are all right with it. But ask yourself that, is it the same with regards to your friends and your peers in the society? Obi how any miri obi bibio. Onfo obi ho ensubusa say, wo soso no said you any miri obi bibi no obi ani brewa na obi ani mere. Ti yaji waware, yaji wunshira, yaji wani monyam, yaji usikasem. And you answer Abrabon wouldn't musa, wouldn't favor bia, wouldn't Abrabon mu banchele. Who could do baby imponents when people will be obebuawa. Then they will cause things in the realms of the spirit for you to go and misbehave over there. And the person will pull out, will not even have any zeal to help you. Uko shi obi obebuawa unko anfiefo work you spiritually unhu de be bema obebua sister no unhu de obe no misbehave abufuo bi bikitua bi na obuafu saa ye ka bibia kura wontie no agya bema no hokọ okoduru fia na ati nani so usu agu hu animu ase obekọ akọpa chawa be ye we no bema na hunu de wo mu awie we ni de ayaw ye di musikasem mu problem no a Christopher problem men kasem anya do you but dem pesa me kire say ewiase abrabo na ye bono show sikasem mu yie me inform sikasem ni agro me papa me maame me nua me hwe na ade na wo di ye me no ebema enhira enam sika kwa so aba me nchen no ana sika kwa mu ebeba me nchen no ebe block ya me delete you permanently. Minia bia ni hono ma me so no so meso so minia bi so a na saa minia no oyi obi one ne honhom ekleke oyi obi a otie ma asem oyi obi a otie ma asem he or she is a type who listens to me. Now ba me nche na untie ma asem a I'll walk you out of my life. And he said, oh bom ukresika now the you obi adoye abohom paye na nka akoye adoye wie na nka wo di wachi wo no opede wo se sika na odi kobo odi koye sa nipa na doye no se eto asase papa mu a nka wo no ye den bepo na wo soli na wo bon ateche na wo na mu no kosua na wo sesa no eye de ho wo de ye den wo di kosua na ye den wo de ye den e de na wo de ye ateche na unamu no odi ye den obesu dae no na esum aduru. You are in total darkness. You don't even know what to do, but you have been doing good to people. Do you think your seed, if it were to be that your seed fell in a good soil, you would have been experiencing that kind of a dream that you have been having? o ka sesenka abana ogu ye no eto asase papa mu a enka obeso sa da ye bone no ka beso sa da ye bone no mete ho na woman bi o ye obi ana me personal life na me catch on enye fake story a real story woman bi na me penasem pa me penasem na oyana me maniska na for some time me share woman no na me hwe ni din as anka me say me maniska that very day me to me car na me call it. And the bed 2 weeks later, what happened was that this same woman and Obama sorry. Obama only must catch them. Or catch them say Chrome of war. On my meeting, and a Baku say. I be catch no woman say. Force one no make him in some 50 cities. No pattern for na yen ho say. Ordin ni enfan to problem ebema na boka kese enfama na that day no tamwa me ba krom ho no na omu gina e na omu hwe me nti obegina me nchen no na omu bo omu ani se force ngi sika nti wanya sika amfiri me nchen mu no woman ko nwuram omu ma obi ko bu no life. This is not spiritual thing nti ene odi abufu aba wo so oba be ka kire me no na me tenasi din na me busa mo say is that how evil people could go the level of evilness onipa betimi akọ me bompa ya urade say utiri na ye and ka mane o mo de be ma wo asase we so no remfiri da. There was a time me nia Mr. Osei na yesi o ye koye village bi adoye ene ye kopɛ nioma say ye de koye village na adoye na ye be call no nam se na ye nya ho spiritual ye mompa ye nhwade ye bompa ye a ewrade hwehwade ye afem hwese nioma na ye de akoma nipa no sa akura na ase no me hwese omu yisu bia no we yahu we yisu bia no we yahu ye we yisu bia no we yahu abo pitiri na me de me pram am se no ma me mompa ye mu se ewrade se de ya afei an angel of the Lord appeared to me and began to explain the revelation to me. Was she? And nioma na wo de come omo no. Ombe waki agu nioma no so. Na obi yusu bi, obi dibi, ana obi dibi sha. Wa ye yarefo anase. Wawu eti eto nipa mienu miensa. Na ombe fa baabi ana ombe kwa abusa no. Ni appoint me say me na me de nioma ne ba ya. Ama omani ma ye de. Is ha problem no etoto nkrofo no. Me wa me so maboka and makofa ni omani dia beguo me de koye adoye out of adoye because me hu so mo bre hwadwe no onipa da sani so te wa fa wo ni tirim me wo man bi ofri abrochi na bae on the same thing okoye adoye baby okoye adoye krom wo mpanyimfo ne se o magine waji wo mu ani mo nyam do mo te wo mu nim nyansa so on ba bua kro ni ma no be pem na man o mama stroke dem me pesa me kiro ne se hweyie sa ubamu obi bibi ubayi obi adoye a se ohusu obi damane ma ya mpere ho ate empere ho se obabua nipa no se nkebe ya ka ya bono so mpaye de metimi akacho bono so mpaye empire bona bono so boni pane so mpaye se minu akua fokuo minu adwa fowa minu ya oti Ghana ya abrabo ne ho chiri ni me pesa me kofa ne ba ebetena me nchen bompaye wo de wo nti nyame ne kura nyame beba waso daye afo mo until se obeso daye bia afo mo ho no emfa mo ne mani pakoro ne da bia unu ya bi yare bia wo sister bi yare men kantro se me betete abusu yantem me nya bi da kama bra nyame nanso so sister obi di adwene pa ne akoma pa aba Ghana se ne nua yare wo be sa ne yare ono na fa ho ama wabewu yaku ono ato atwene because no omo si omo pe no omo nya no na omo share that yare e bo ne nua no and o chaplain take it by be hwe ni no mudi nyane de abo ni tirim sunsum o mo kuma no ya man ne ba manim counseling obo na ni si ani osu because o mo ku no oti wa mo ani na ho ma wani enna ho hwe ye wo sika sem ho kakra to nsem ana ahye sika to nsem ana ahye wo mu a wodi sika ye o man adoye nyina so eye vampires de bi o mu de o mo se esore wo so omo ye nkrofo a omo they fight people. They don't want progress. Omo mpayempa they will never offer a benediction, a good benediction on your side. They will never pray for you. Those people that you have been spending your hard currency on them, they are the said people who have been fighting you. They will fight you. The black man has a different mentality as compared to the white people. Who did you cry ya? Enti opeso of force na usika semo no o hye no na wantimi ampa aduane ama ho. Enti de bia no se wo yare ho kyerew ekom de wo abrabom eno no onipa ba. Eti wa mu ani ana ho a sister bra de bia be bro de bia wa adwene be ye o se obi na eyew tumi bi na eyew obi na how and kure bibi how de nanso so obi tale won chemu a won na how sikasam no obabua obi a dem di beja no hweye o partner se na check your life omo ene wo kosisi a ye omo a wati usika de ama omo da ade ti no mo fight o se yakoma pam no mo de gi wo nsam muwa na ade ti no mo fight o omo ene me opatafo eko a omo sori a they pick up a phone no omo frefre opatafo da sete ase na sori na gu na sori na ye den sankofo ye nkrofo na omo de da bontia na omo ni kapre me na me sori ye ana adwo me sori a me na ma bompa ya bo kakra menya na nam sa de amma omo they regard me as a foolish person, but I did it out of a clean and a good heart. Sankrofo we ya no must fighting me. They want to bring my ministry down. But thank God that I'm a type that I don't joke. When you trespass and have the mentality of bringing me down, I'm not a type that I'll let you go scot-free. I'll fight you. Me oye wa agene so de me beto form a me ntwe ma o. Me bring you down. Kwaya me di o sha so for no mo challenge me nyina to ma sere wo mo. Ma sere wo mo nyina untimi nye yie da me I'll fight you because me no de me hu ne se ma brabo ne ti se kosua. Enti akoko a wato no kosua to hono sa wo kono ado nsa koka kosua na. And there no about time here. Also so because when him say wa bre no wato no kosua wo be se kosua no. Ti me njoki wa brabo ni me mfa wo ni me nua me ma me nua. Odi agrom sika sem ho a me dan ja tato acho. Sa na me pese wo ye. Emu obi endi agro no bring you down e wa brabo. Wo ba yi obi adoye am se wo mpa ye fa no ho. Bompaye we dey take some person we ya dan ye e ma obi for best 7 days bon hompaye no obi wo ha de wo de man na no an wo de fight you obi wo ha de wo de man na no wo de kutia obi wo ha te wa man bibia onya ho asem onya ho kwan fighting tia wo hwe ho ye wo sika sem na wa ma e kwan abede da ho ma nipa di sori tia wo de tosu biem mo ani na ho pe obi a wo den na fa na damfo power. You need power. You need to be fortified in the rest of the spirit and more bra with any kind that and yeah who say yate abre sister we are seeing I'm telling you o partner society no omo mabo bra nyina de to no adwan ko Freemason because they know Christianity. They don't have secret. They don't have anything to offer. Christians, they don't have anything to offer. So all the prominent men, people who are well sophisticated, very intelligent, and a learned personality in the society, Freemason. And now we work so them. I am kwalan because more big campaigns in me no nobody dances so much Freemason. I didn't know my call. Omo nkwa ebi kɔ Skull and Bones, omo so omo enko secret society no, omo Johnny akomfo eni ekuokuo akotututumi, ebi kɔ India kɔ bi omo, ebi kɔ Singapore, ebi kɔ China, omo kɔ bi omo ho de bɔ bra. Udi agora wadwuma a woyɛ nti obi beto stroke ama. Mekai couple of years ago, there was a man bi no ya adwuma along the banks of Volta and then Easton. Now man you be or your breath for pa. Now one day in the rest of the spirit, this is something that happened live. I think so I've said it several times on air. Now man no ye or you be or breath or ye adwuma. But one day in the rest of the spirit of the Lord revealed to me, no, sorry, or Pentecost. Sorry, Church of Pentecost. Oko akosomo combine. Now busan a friend in Nantie. Makasa same way that. Nantie you be a no sorry. Oko Church of Pentecost. On any year in a ma a sorry. One day me honor radical church say. Nipa sumesi. Say. She. Now me say you ku obi atwaniti da ho. Now me kotu nipa bia omugina ne nchen. Until I took their phone. I never done whole spiritual and me number free. Now me the man who ni pass on friend number we so lucky your fresh number no physically not spiritual physically if adia chie na sa ade me hu spiritual na adia chie number na me nya spiritual friend the call you boost as a 90 number no yeah na me catch them say ma hu say yakunu a yatwitwa ne nam akunu ntu ompa ba bi no onwane mfa enya sa so ombra na me mom pai man me kan che say me hia ska me kan che so omram bibia and what happened Onya Junibi Okobo Church of Pentecost for one paying for money. I'm not saying say Church of Pentecost is a bad church. No, that's not what I'm saying. Okobo Church of Pentecost for amane and the elders no cast over bompire man. Into one ko bibia you know. Fortunately on Sunday, one call sorry was so or prapra ni fie no do guardian. Wo honum sa eno obuhwie. Nipa muro na sum sei efiri moja ne hwinum sei efiri moja eno anu ne tim nantie ewu young man yi bra wa bra afena ne watimi asi ne fie foforo omakuru abrochirefo bebre matimi abaga na besisi fie ba yakum ye de stroke atoso ye de yare atoso ye de amane atoso ye de wohawa atoso ye de animguase atoso enti wukra no wo yira wo hyehye ntumi maba e wo Ghana no akase ofie na wabesi no Ghana no kra betenam usuro wakasa wo hwem kra ya wese usuro se udi agora wo afiefo kra beku enti hweye na ma wani na ho e wa brabo na wo bona udi agora bi bekum. Recently lady ya wo ye Dr. Grace Bodu, after her demise, when you listen to some of the audio a popping up now, you could see clearly say this young lady was yearning for spiritual help. She needed help because of the establishment that she has made. Who say Grace Boadu na ohiamwa, she needed help spiritually. She was yearning for help and she didn't know where to go because the enemy kept on pounding on her and she needed help based on the voice note that surfaced on the internet. We are aware ebia when your Grace Boadu a voice note ni bi voice note no any wofa call no any wofa yeah oboni wofa din offer me maame mo me papa mo me nuano mo wo hwe sa voice note na you could see say na lady no Grace Boadu no ohia mo spiritually no ni obi a wa bin bi ode ne ho akogya no enti no ohia obi ama na agye no because na brabom spiritually no watete na ni person any penakun na ni Grace Boadu akun no ohia mo abat no onye obi ama ne ngye no entwe masa ama ni we bi nton wo kwa wo ba ne manfo ani brew papa obi nya obekum obi nya obe poison. We live with evil people with innocent faces in the society. So untimi nka say medium asumasi here we do obentere here. Young girl Grace Boadu, a very young girl, she died or she has died at the early tender stage. Why? Because na watimi asifie mienu miensa bi a hospital otimi koba enti abusua tu ye ni si ni so embontin so fo so to omani sin so o twini mu a eduru mire bi no ope obi a ne nsam odin obi a waben sofo bi a ne ho odin no de ne ho abata no esu grace bu adu anyi obi ama na anje no sister entra ho kwa o pesofo a odin na ne nante na wotena ho na okonya sofo a odin obetimi aboa wa abrabọ mu a no wa masabe mprebia sakwase ampanyi bi ono the masku fees krontimi ntua ono ani like bi krontimi ntua no abeka tro say we di onfiri nyame o we di waji aduro opatafo di onfiri nyame opatafo di mikohu no wopoase opatafo di wo no mo journey okot opatafo di onfiri nyame tena ho na masabe mprebia sakwase ampanyi bi am say ono ankasa ne basku fees mpontimi ntua ono ankasa mpontimi ntua ne ho de mano abrabo asa nipa ne bɔ no de mokwa ye kase obi bɔ mokwa asa wote ase o de mokwa ne bɔ abrabo no na wo di sa nipa wo yachi ne wadada wa na wadwene mu aye ha ne yaku ato atwene se de yaku grace boadu no obi be ka kire o se na se obi abewu o pa fa ne sa obi abewu obi nka nkire obi se obi nko baabi obi abewu ni mewu usu bewu ba metena ho pa mu obekumi nkwase yakum de na bɔ me ho ban metena ho ma with the poison agu aduani mu say me ku opatafo on there. I'll protect myself. You can't kill me. Yanku bonjira and then makasa che last one na nka ye education but we dey no atem mekasa town ne be kokobo na ebisu awo niam bi apesa oye mo ani na ho abayu ane mranti amasisi abrabo ekwan so oti wosa na obi akun ato atwene umpe spiritualist bia danfo hwe King David or Hini David, Mamin Casamicho or Hini David, no was so for 16 a daily man or Hini David. Solomon, Bible Nakohe, near Frost of Ubegini be say Zadok. David time, not Zadok or now Samuel Suho. Or Hini Solomon time, not Zadok. Oh, no, me a so for my being ye. My being ye, why? Into would now who will be our being a fanadam for. Fana damfo na ne nko e wa abrabo nim na ma wani na ho sa nyoma we se otimi hwe ni ya sister obegina mu ache se nya wo nsam sika na obi ba gidi akwa aduro so atia wo ade atoyale amba obi wo ha akoye adoye sa da na oso da ya ne ya wo pane ye ne ya sew wo dakura wontimi na ya toyale ato widiem nipa bonefo adoso omti sakraman nipa ni omtiri odin nipa omtiri mu odin omnwini nipa ho wo ye ne papa se den o de boni betua wo ka Sankrofo when you know what Timantem, you know what you are joking with these people. Me yenya mijuma elbusa, Mr. Osaya elbusa. Eduru mrebi ye namwana ni party teye pay boy tu. Yetimi dwane free baby eta. Ebi wa ma church ba shoot video ewi se mi dwane kope a higher security zone. Ekotena adentia. Ko nipa de sani nya obobo otu akun. Obinya wo be kun no de age France makun opatafo ukumi ana me sika na medi wo me dan medi wo ma ho ofe ne ma ho me nim de ne me knowledge am wo ne ma ho enso be kun ato atwene omo African society a na omo wo bi empanfo o man protect wo mu nya yakun omo Gaddafi wo wai hwekwa on fa so mkun Gaddafi omo ku Gaddafi just like that ayi ono ana kola ono ana ofase nga o dwane no hu no bo no tu ono ana ofase ono ana diem enti sister say enyaado ampo na woton a pe obi a odin ne nante enyaado na woton no obi tifi a onni nyaado asika enti wo kɔ na wo ba no fi se hoton ti onya wo be bring you down nyamudwuma yi a yeyi bra hu so patafo mi gina game ni mu a yeyi o mani da ho nyame nkwala akora sabota enso mi gina mu omo meme fight nipa ye keka nipa ho nsem omo tu omo hu si ho Canada, Germany, Italy, Spain, UK say you be bring your patafo down because adentia opatafo yesama abrochefo tu dinachi omo shed the tram to me so say yaza omo shed the tram to me so say oba manim counselor opatafo charge you say ansa na wahwe omo shed that ye say maji omo sika so obi okra na me hu ni da ni nyina ya plot but me da urade ase de ntia me da urade ase no kasa bi omo ka ye bia no antimi amfama ahwe ho me da so ginam me da so eginam na me nhyira wo ne hwe ohun yie why na me nhyira ne hwe ohun yie ye be hia nyame adom e kyena